National Electrical Code Section 314.10 addresses boxes employing plaster rings, fixture studs, or other supports, stating they shall be securely fastened in place. They shall be supported as prescribed in 314.20. Section 314.20b specifically permits the use of powder-actuated fasteners. Furthermore, 314.20(3)h permits fixture studs to be secured with powder-actuated fasteners. Therefore, it is permissible to support fixtures with powder-actuated fasteners when done in accordance with these code sections. The permissibility hinges on adhering to the guidelines outlined in the National Electrical Code. It is crucial to consult the specific sections mentioned, namely 314.10, 314.20b, and 314.23h, to ensure compliance. Firstly, ensure that the boxes are securely fastened in place, adhering to section 314.10. Secondly, when using powder-actuated fasteners, comply with the provisions outlined in 314.20b. Thirdly, if utilizing fixture studs secured with powder-actuated fasteners, adhere to the requirements of 314.23h. These sections of the National Electrical Code outline the specific requirements for using powder-actuated fasteners to support electrical fixtures. Ignoring these regulations can lead to unsafe installations. Always consult the most recent version of the National Electrical Code for the most up-to-date information. Local codes may also have additional requirements or restrictions. It is also advisable to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. They can provide expert guidance on proper installation techniques and safety precautions. Remember, safety is paramount when working with electrical systems, and adherence to the National Electrical Code is essential for ensuring a safe and compliant installation. The use of powder-actuated fasteners must be in accordance with their listings and labeling, meaning you must use them within their design parameters and within the instructions from the manufacturer. Failure to do so can violate installation standards and cause a dangerous situation.